Building Wealth, The Path to Financial Freedom. Chapter 1, Video number 10. IT's Time to Change. Consider this an eye-opening moment to better understand personal finance. Following conventional wisdom and traditional approaches to managing money may not be enough to secure your financial future in today's challenging economic landscape. If you continue to follow the same financial advice that has been passed down from generation to generation, you will likely end up in a cycle of debt for the rest of your life. Financial wisdom is not innate, but a skill that can be cultivated through constant learning and exploration. Get advice from experts, be it through personal contacts or news podcasts and financial blogs. For example, if you're looking to reduce credit card debt, look for full-length videos that discuss effective strategies. Expand your knowledge by checking out educational channels like ours online Income Oasis. Remember, before making any major financial decisions, try to gain some solid knowledge to be able to make informed decisions. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Perfection isn't instantaneous. Building new habits takes constant effort and learning from mistakes. Take the opportunity to test theories, discover new ideas, and venture into uncharted territory. By acquiring knowledge from trusted sources, you can be assured that you are managing your finances according to your circumstances. These principles pave the way to financial literacy. Financial literacy puts you in complete control of your finances. Regardless of the rising cost of living or current financial commitments, you have the skills to meet the challenges. Success requires discipline because without it, lasting financial freedom cannot be achieved. You have the freedom to choose a financial approach that fits your life and leads to your desired financial goal. By now you should have a clear understanding of how debt infiltrates and perpetuates our lives. Unfortunately, we can't escape this topic. But wait, there's more to learn. Many believe that more money is the ultimate solution to financial problems. Join me in the next chapter of our Wealth Building 101 series as we unearth the truth behind Unleash Your Inner Financial Warrior, Defeating the Beast of Money.